Hi, this is Erica with OurChurch.com, and thank you for using our WP Easy website builder. Now let me show you how easy it is to add a calendar and a page for your calendar right onto your website. First, let's hover over this little house and then open in a new tab. We're going to open our website. Here we have it. And as you can see, I don't have a page for my calendar. Let's fix that. Let's go back to our dashboard. We go to the same space, hover over, and then go to dashboard this time. And then when that opens up, we're going to navigate down to our calendar, hover over it, and then go to short codes. Then when that opens up, we're going to look for the little generate the short code, generate the my calendar short code. And then we're going to simply click on this button right at the end, the configure your primary view. And as soon as we've done that, we've created a page for our calendar. Now let's name our calendar. I'm going to name mine Farm Calendar. This is a farm website after all. So then let's click the Add button. And now let's go to our menus because we want to look at it on our menu structure. And so it's added the page right here at the top. We need to click on it to add it to our menu structure. Add to menu right here. And then it's going to add it right at the bottom. But remember, you can drag and drop any menu item wherever you want it just by simply dragging, dropping it, and then clicking Save Menu. Now, let's go back to our website and see that new page. First, let's do a quick refresh. And there's my farm calendar. Let's click on it to see our brand new calendar. That's all. That's all we needed to do was just click on that, configure your primary view. But what if you wanted to put your calendar on a page you already have? Say, for instance, my home page. This looks like a good spot. So let's go back to our dashboard. Let's go back to that short code. And this time what we're going to do is we're going to copy that short code right here to the clipboard just by clicking on it there. Then let's go back to our website. Now we need to go back into our page builder. We need to go into our page builder, that is, by clicking on the page builder at the top. And now we're in our editing mode. We know that because we see the little beaver in the top left corner. Let's click on the plus button to drag a text module right onto our page. Right where we want it, right there underneath the vegetables. Let's just drop that there. And let's go to the text view and then paste that code, and there it is. That's simple. There's our calendar right on that page. So you can either create a page, altogether brand new page, or drop a calendar anywhere you want it on your website. So if you'd like to add a calendar to your website or create a brand new page for a calendar, just follow these simple steps. And thank you again for using our WP Easy website builder. Remember, it's WordPress made easy.